y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And I wanted to share with y'all what I did with my rose and my two blackberries. What I decided to do, a garden right here, and it will have flowers, and I may put like my barrel with my strawberries in this little section, and I may put um, some mulch, or I don't know if I'm going to do the rocks like I have around the pool. I may do mulch, I'm not real sure on that yet. But so far, this is what I've done. I put my rose here, and I may put like some kind of fairy garden, put a garden bench, and I moved my sign from off of my arch up here, and I have that cute little bird cage right there on my plum. I'm gonna probably most likely take that plum tree out, and right here I put my blackberries. And I had thought about, before I did the raised bed over where it's at now, I had thought about doing a raised bed here but never got around to that, and so I think I'm gonna still do that. And this is where I put my blackberries, the thornless ones, and I may wind up moving these this fall to another spot. I haven't decided yet, but this is where I've got them for right now, because I had to put them in the ground so they won't die. And but between now and fall, I'll make that final decision if I'll leave them here or not, because I thought about putting, since I'm taking the plum and moving it to my front yard, I thought about maybe doing some blueberries right here, and doing on this other side up here, because I have this long back side of the pool. I have this whole long area right here where I can do blackberries and put some blueberries, like a mixture down through here. So I mean, we don't even use this side, so it's limitless. I can do anything I want. And so that's what I've done so far, and I wanted to share that with y'all. And it is getting hot out here right now already, and it's like, I think it's like 10:30. It's so hot out here, and so I'm not going to do anything else out here today. This is just what I did the other day and didn't get a chance to share it with y'all, but I decided to get out here at least before it gets way too hot. But I'm already sweating. It's so hot, but I won't be able to do any other work out here until later on today. So, but this is what I've done so far, and I wanted to share that with y'all, and let y'all see how pretty it's coming along in my little garden spot area. So let me know what y'all think about what I've done so far. And another thing too, with this bird cage, I was thinking about putting some kind of a fern or something in it, and I think that would look cute with some kind of flowers that's coming outside the cage, and I think that would look really pretty. But I'll wind up probably waiting till this fall to take this plum tree out and moving it to the front of the yard. But this is what I've gotten done so far, and I hope y'all like what I'm doing, and y'all are encouraging me to continue on and do a little more and more, getting it, to where I want it to be. So I want to thank y'all for that, and I appreciate it. Once I get done with all this, it's just going to be so peaceful out here. Listen to those birds singing, y'all. That is so peaceful. I love that sound. Just to sit out here and, in my garden and watch my chickens and listen to those birds singing. I love that. They're just a singing. I could probably put me a bench out here that I can also take me a nap out on it. Seriously, I would probably fall asleep out here. If the weather was really nice out here and it wasn't hot, maybe like early spring, and if it's not raining, or late fall when it's not really hot, I'd sit out here and take a nap, listen to those birds. It's so peaceful. I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great day. Please like, subscribe. Bye, y'all.